नमस्कार आप सभी को। मेरा नाम मनिंदर सिंह और मैं लैंड्स एंड क्लब में तपस्वी योगा जो लैंड्स क्लब ने अभी निकाला है उसके थ्रू आपका योगा टीचर हूँ, जो कि मैं सिखाऊंगा आपको अष्टांग विन्यास योगा। ये हठ योगा का पार्ट है और आज हम सिर्फ अष्टांग विन्यास योगा पे कंसंट्रेशन करते हुए हम आज सारी योगा करेंगे। इसमें मैं आपको कुछ सूर्य नमस्कार सिखाऊंगा, जिसमें कि 2 पार्ट है सूर्य नमस्कार के, पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2। मैं आपको उन दोनों का इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगा और उसके बाद मैं आपको स्टैंडिंग के आसन सिखाऊंगा, सिटिंग के आसन कुछ और लाई डाउन का आसन, फिनिशिंग आसन उनको इसमें कहा जाता है। ये प्राइमरी सीरीज में आज कराने जा रहा हूँ और ये सिर्फ अष्टांगा योगा के अंदर है। अष्टांगा योगा एक पार्ट है हठ योगा का, जिसमें हठ योगा के जो एक्सट्रीम आसन होते हैं उसको अष्टांगा योगा के नाम से बनाया गया है। और इसमें हम विन्यासा जो होती है, विन्यासा होती है एक सीक्वेंस, मतलब आप विन्यासा का मतलब बेसिकली ये होता है कि आप ब्रीदिंग के साथ बिना रुके किसी पोस्चर में आना, बार बार और विन्यासा करते रहना। हर पोस्चर से पहले आपका एक विन्यासा होगा, उसका भी मैं आपको इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगा और मैं आपको बताऊंगा किस तरह से विन्यासा से आपको पोस्चर में आना और पोस्चर से विन्यासा में जाना है, वो मैं आपको पूरा एक्सप्लेन करूँगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज सूर्य नमस्कार ए से शुरू करेंगे, फिर मैं आपको सूर्य नमस्कार बी बताऊंगा। तो पहले मैं ए करने जा रहा हूँ, आप देखिए किस तरह से करते हैं। स्टैंड स्ट्रेट, हैंड्स बाय योर साइड, एकम इनहेल, रेज योर बोथ आर्म्स अप, जॉइन योर पाम्स, द्वे एक्सहेल, फॉरवर्ड बेंड, गो डाउन, टच योर हेड विद योर knees, 3D inhale, only head up, चत्वारी, jump back, पंचा inhale, come up in upward facing dog, shut exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here, be straight, deep breathing, 5 times. सप्ता inhale, jump forward, Ashto, exhale lift, touch your head with your knees, Nama inhale, come up, Samasthiti, hands down. This is Surya Namaskar A. Now I am going to show you Surya Namaskar B. It is quite similar with Surya Namaskar A, but it has 17 steps in it. Like Surya Namaskar A, we have 9 steps, and in Surya Namaskar B, we have 17 steps. So, let me show you how to do Surya Namaskar B. Ekam inhale, bend your knees, raise your both arms up, palms together. Dve exhale, come up in Padhastasana. 3D inhale, only head up. Chatwari, jump back. Again, pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Shut exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta inhale, twist your left leg and take your right leg in between your hands. Join your both arms and look up. Ashto exhale, take your right leg back. Come up in Chaturanga. Nava inhale, upward facing dog. Dasha exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasha, take your left leg forward, twist your right, and take your left leg in between your hands. Come up. Dwadasha, exhale, go down in Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, upward facing dog. Chaturdasha, exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. Panchadasha inhale, jump forward. Shodasha, exhale there, Padhastasana. Saptadasha, bend your knees, join your palms, straight arms up, Samasthiti. This is Surya Namaskar B. So there are 2 Surya Namaskar A and B in Ashtanga Yoga with Vinyasa. So now I am going to show you the asanas, the standing sequences of asanas. Let me show you the first one. the Padangushanasana. Inhale, jump and spread your legs half feet apart. Ekam inhale, breathe in. Go down without exhaling. Grab your big toe. Now exhale. Dve exhale. Here, stay here. Look at the tip of your nose. Take 5 deep breaths. Breathing inhale, only head up. Exhale. Padangushanasana. Take your hands underneath your feet. Again inhale. Dve exhale. Three inhale again, only head up. Exhale. Chatwari, come up, Samasthiti. This is Padangushanasana and Padasthasana. Now I am going to show you the Utthit Trikonasana. There are two variations in Utthit Trikonasana. Utthit Trikonasana A and B. Utthit Trikonasana and Parivartit Trikonasana. So how to do Utthit Trikonasana? Actually it is only, you can do it from the right side only. So let me show you from this side. Ekam inhale, spread your arms. Right foot out. Dve exhale, go down. Without bending your knees, grab your big toe, look up. Take 5 deep breaths here. Again, Trini and inhale, come up. Do it from the left side also. So go down, Chatwari, exhale, grab your big toe, look up. Pancha and inhale, come up. This is Utthit Trikonasana A. Now I am going to show you Utthit Trikonasana B, that is Parivartit Trikonasana. Take your right foot out. Inhale and exhale, go down. Dve exhale, look up. Again, 3 and inhale, come up. Chatwari from the left side also. Go down. Pancha inhale, come up. And Samasthiti. This is Utthit Trikonasana A and B. Now I am going to show you Parshav Konasana. There are two parts in Parshav Konasana, A and B. Parshav Konasana and Parivartit Parshav Konasana. Ekam inhale, spread your legs 5 feet apart, right foot out. Dve, bend your knees. Exhale, go down. Look up. Straight arms up, look up. Take 5 deep breaths. Trini and heel come up. Chatwari, do it from the left side. Pancha and heel come up. Now, Parivartit Parshav Konasana. Bend your knees. Twist your body. Inhale. Breathe your arm. Breathe. Trini and inhale. And drishti is very important in asanas. Like I said, when you go down in Padangushanasana, you have to look at the tip of your nose. And in Utthit Trikonasana and Parivartit Trikonasana and पार्श्वकोणासन and परिवर्तित पार्श्वकोणासन. You have to look at your hand. Your drishti should be hatha drishti. Go down, twist. Inhale. Look at your hand. This is called hatha drishti. Take 5 deep breaths. Inhale, come up and Samasthiti. Now I am going to show you the Prasarita Padottanasana. There are 4 parts in that asana: A, B, C and D. Let me show you, give you an example how to do that. Ekam inhale, catch your waist, spread your legs as much as possible, spread your legs, not more than 5 feet. Ekam inhale, breathe in. Dve exhale, go down. Press your palms on your mat. Inhale, head up. Trini exhale, exhale, go down. Look at the tip of your nose. Take 5 deep breaths here. Then Chatwari, inhale, head up only. Exhale there. Pancha, inhale, come up and catch your waist. This is part A. Now I am going to show you part B. Ekam inhale, spread your arms. Dve exhale, catch your waist again. Inhale. Trini exhale, forward bend. Look at the tip of your nose. Take 5 deep breaths here. Then Chatwari, inhale, come up. Exhale. C. Spread your arms again. Dve exhale. Fingers interlock and back. Stretch your arms. Inhale. Trini exhale. Forward bend. Go down as much as possible for you. And press your palms. Take 5 deep breaths here. Then Chatwari, inhale, come up and catch your waist again. Part D. Ekam inhale, breathe in. Dve exhale, go down, grab your big toe. Again inhale. Trini exhale, head down. Take 5 deep breaths here. Look at the tip of your nose. In all the 4 parts, you have to look at the tip of your nose. This is called Nasatra Drishti. Again, Chatwari, inhale, head up only. Exhale there. Pancha, inhale, come up, catch your waist and Samasthiti. This is the standing series. There are 4 more asanas in the standing series, which I am going to explain you when we will start the sessions. Because if I am going to show it to you now, the video will go will come up to 1 hour or 40 minutes. So this is why I am going to show you the series in short. Now I am going to show you how to come in sitting asanas. The way I am talking to you, that the vinyasa. I am going to show you the vinyasa, how to come in sitting asanas. Okay, when you completed it, like I ended it there, so I am going to start from here. Ekam inhale, raise your both thumbs up. Dve exhale. Trini inhale, head up. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale. Sapta, jump through. Straight legs, sit up. This is how you have to come in sitting asanas. Let me show you some asanas in sitting position. Sit straight. This is Paschimottanasana A, which we call Dandasana also. This is called Paschimottanasana A, B and C. There are 3 asanas in Paschimottanasana in Ashtanga Vinyasa series. Take 5 deep breaths. Look at the tip of your nose. Stay here. Then inhale. Grab your big toe. This is Paschimottanasana B. Exhale, forward bend. Stay here and take 5 deep breaths. Trini inhale, head up only. Stay there. Catch your heels or clasp your hands. Inhale and exhale, forward bend again. This is Paschimottanasana C. Take 5 deep breaths here. Then inhale, head up only. Exhale there. Then leave your leg. Now from here, we will do the vinyasa. From sitting to come in the next posture, where I am going to show you now Purvottanasana. So you have to come in Purvottanasana, like you have to do the vinyasa. This is compulsory in Ashtanga Vinyasa series. This is why it is called vinyasa. Vinyasa yoga also. Inhale, raise your both legs up, take your both legs back, Pancha inhale, shut exhale, Sapta jump through, straight legs sit up. Now I am going to do Purvottanasana. Take your hands 1 feet back. Inhale, point your toe out. Raise your body up, drop your neck back. Take 5 deep breaths here. Then exhale, go down. Again come in Vinyasa. I am going to show you Ardha Baddha Padma Paschimottanasana part A, which is I am going to show you from right side. Inhale, take your both legs back. Pancha inhale, shut exhale, Sapta jump through, straight legs. Take your right leg on top of your left thigh. Circle your right arm back. Grab your big toe or full feet. Inhale, exhale, forward bend. Take 5 deep breaths here. Then inhale, head up. Exhale there. Come up, leave your neck. Again do the vinyasa. To come to do from the left side also, you have to do vinyasa. Go back, Pancha inhale, shut exhale, Sapta jump through, and do it from the left side. Take your left leg on the top of your left thigh. Circle your left arm back. Grab your feet with your right arm. Inhale and exhale, forward bend. Take 5 deep breaths. Again inhale, head up. Exhale there. Leave your legs. Do vinyasa. Pancha inhale. Shut exhale. Sapta jump through. This is Triyanga Mukha Ekapada Paschimottanasana. Hold your right leg, point your toe out. Inhale, straight back. Exhale. Take 5 deep breaths here. Again inhale, head up. Exhale. Come up. From here you have to come in vinyasa. Like press your palms by your side. Raise your body up. Jump back. Pancha inhale. Shut exhale. Sapta jump through. From the left side, inhale, straight back, exhale, forward bend. Take 5 deep breaths. Inhale, head up, exhale there. Leave your neck, come up again, press your palms by your side, raise your body up. Pancha inhale, shut exhale, Sapta jump through, and this is it goes on. There are so many asanas in this standing series. So I am going to show you the lie down asanas, the ending series, which is going to be ending series in Ashtanga Yoga. So I am going to show you how to come up in this ending series, how to end the Ashtanga series. So you have to lie down. This is called Urdhanurasana. With some people it called Dhanurasana or Urdhanurasana. This we called Urdhva Dhanurasana. The Chakrasana, the people will say Chakrasana. This is not Chakrasana. This is Urdhanurasana. Bend your knees, place your palms close to your shoulder. Inhale, raise your body up. Stay here as long as possible. Then go down. Again inhale, come up. More close. Again as much as possible. Then again go down. Again inhale, come closer, and again inhale, come up. Stay here. Go down. From here, the vinyasa is changed. Like from here, I am going in Chakrasana. This is called Chakrasana. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, forward jump, straight legs. Now we are going to do Paschimottanasana again with 10 breaths. Exhale, forward bend. Take 10 breaths here. Inhale, head up. Exhale. Leave your neck. Come up in vinyasa. Raise your body up. Press your palms. Take both legs back. Pancha inhale. Shut exhale. Sapta jump through. Straight legs. Lie down. Now we are going to do Sarvangasana. Take both legs up. Up in the air. Point your toe up. Take 10 deep breaths. Exhale, go down, come up in Halasana. Take 8 deep breaths here. Then Karanvindasana. Then Urdhva Padmasana. Then Pindasana. Then Matsyasana. Then Padottanasana from here. To Chakrasana again. Pancha inhale. Shut exhale. Sapta jump. Come up in Shirsasana from here. Try to touch in my shirt. Take position, fingers crossed. Put your hands between the hands. Put your head between the hands. Inhale, raise both legs up in the air, straight legs. Take 15 deep breaths. Go down, stay 90 degrees. Take 10 deep breaths here. Come up again. Exhale, go down. Do Balasana. The child pose. Stay here for some time. Then come up in Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale. Shut exhale. Sapta jump through. Straight legs. Take Padmasana. Inhale, exhale, forward bend. Take 10 deep breaths. Come up, straight arms. 10 deep breaths again. Then with Priti, raise your body up for 20 counts, 10 counts, as much as possible. Raise your body up in the air, stay here. Look at the tip of your nose, stay. Deep breaths. As much as possible for you. Then go down. Leave your legs. Do vinyasa again. Pancha in, shut exhale, Sapta jump forward, Ashto exhale there, Nava inhale come up, Samasthiti. This is the primary series, and I show you some asanas of primary series. If I show you the full series, it will take me 1 hour, 15 minutes or more than that. So we made this video in short, so the people who are watching this right now, they will be able to understand what is Vinyasa Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, and how to do it. And thank you so much for watching this video, and hope we are going to meet soon, and you are going to join this Tapaswini Yoga, which is presenting by Lions Den Club. Vijay sir is going to represent me as your yoga teacher in coming weeks. Hope you enjoy this video and you enjoy this journey of yoga, Ashtanga Yoga. Hope you all well, stay home, stay active. Now come out and do yoga also. Join me, and we are going to introduce ourselves with each other. Let's do this. See you all. Bye.